Erase My Back Pain Review 2019 Updated. Eliminate your back pain. What is Erase My Back Pain? The Erase My Back Pain program characterizes a 10-minute everyday schedule that can enable you to dispose of sciatica torment for all occasions to come. This is to a greater extent a helpful strategy that can end up being very valuable in conditioning your body and halting the back torment. It reveals a recuperating extending exercise. This routine isn't exactly forceful. How does Erase My Back Pain work? The Erase My Back Pain program isn't just about conditioning muscles and full range works out. It directs the customer how to oversee and get ready dinners that are sound, and that could include for a quicker and better outcome. The vast majority of the practice additionally targets center solidarity to gradually diminish the strain developed in the back and in the end, totally expel back agony. Features of Erase My Back Pain 1. A stretch to in a split-second discharge your back. 2. Instructions to appropriately reinforce your center. The activity should be possible while sitting in your seat. 3. Mental strategies to concentrate far from your agony. 4. Neck stretches to battle forward head pose. 5. Step-by-step instructions to really adjust your stance. You may shock what number of individuals fail to understand the situation. 6. Ventures to limit agony and strain while working at your work area. 7. The most ideal approaches to rest on the off chance that you have back torment, just as how not to rest. 8. Spinal developments you ought to do every day to keep up the full scope of movement. 9. Nourishment guidance for staying torment-free. Bonus Back to Life Yoga Bedtime Back Relief Back to Life Guided Meditation. Go to official WEBSITECLICK link in description.